Hi everyone, today I will show you how I put together my free foam cascading bouquet. I love cascading bouquet because it creates such a romantic look and it's easier to hold than other type of bridal bouquets. A cascading bouquet is just like a hand-tied bouquet with a long tail and a few flowers or filler in between to make it look like the flowers are moving downward. Because it is a free foam bouquet, so we want to use something that is more flexible and bendable like these vines. Jasmine vines is also perfect. I would not use something like snapdragon. Sweet peas is good. Yeah. So for focal flowers, I have these gorgeous chocolate shoulder peonies and some Coral Louise poppies. Eden roses are so beautiful for this bouquet. We will start out with the hand-tied bouquet. So this one is really simple and just merry, happy go round hand-tied bouquet. The hand-tied part should look like this. You want the bigger flowers to be like in the bottom. It's just like a starting point for the tail. So when the hand-tied bouquet is complete, we want to add the vines in and a few more flowers in the same direction with the vines to make it looks like all the flowers are moving in the same direction. There you go, a beautiful cascading bridal bouquet. This bouquet will last longer because you can just pop it right into a vase of water. Alright, thank you.